So we're using the Scrum project using JIRA Agile, and it's working very well for us.
We have over 100 engineering teams, and depending on what sort of work they're doing, they're either a Kanban or a Scrum team.
You can have the Kanban boards or the Scrum boards, and the ranking and the workflows. Everything's really easy to understand and easy to access.
Whether you're a Scrum or a Kanban team, you have a Scrum board in JIRA Agile. And we use that for the quarterly planning, which is part of our goals process.
People really tend to love it, to drag and drop those items in the Scrum boards, in the flow lanes.
It makes it so easy to visually see what you got in the queue, what you're working on, what you've accomplished for the sprint, and then for me as a business analyst to know, okay, this is what they've got in the queue for this sprint. I need to be working on the next sprint, determining the backlog, going through and getting anything prepared that my developers are going to need so that they can hit the next sprint and be immediately coding.
I think one of the things that we've learned in our use of JIRA in our Agile software development organization is to really empower the project teams themselves.
To be flexible and to listen to your team and determine what works and whatever doesn't work, get rid of it pretty quickly.
JIRA Agile's there to support the team, and what you really need to focus on is the team and changing the team's behavior. JIRA Agile is going to encourage the team to use best practices, to use the best approach that we know how to develop software today.
Kind of one of the tricks there with Scrum is you start with a large iteration and reduce the size over time so that the team can be seeing more efficiencies in smaller periods of time. And that's easily configurable in JIRA Agile. All that stuff is very easy to use.
Our user satisfaction in issue tracking is definitely higher now than it was on our previous solution.
But I find that the JIRA Agile product has really done a great job of understanding what its customers need and being able to address those needs in a really creative and easy to understand way.